हेलो व्यूवर्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू कैंपस वाला। सो गाइज, आज की इस वीडियो में हम आपको बताने वाले हैं अबाउट इंडियाज फर्स्ट कॉर्पोरेट स्पॉन्सर्ड बी स्कूल विच इज IMI दिल्ली। सो गाइज, IMI के 3 कैंपसेस हैं। वन इज इन दिल्ली, द अदर वन इज इन भुवनेश्वर और इसका जो तीसरा कैंपस है वो है कोलकाता में। और आज की इस वीडियो में हम आपको बताने वाले हैं अबाउट IMI दिल्ली। सो गाइज, IMI दिल्ली को 2024 में NIRF ने रैंक किया है एट 40th रैंक और इसको IIRF की तरफ से भी रैंकिंग मिली है 2024 में एट द 8th पोजीशन इन टॉप प्राइवेट बी स्कूल्स। सो बने रहिए हमारे साथ वीडियो के एंड तक टू नो अबाउट द एडमिशंस, कोर्सेज, फीस, प्लेसमेंट्स तक की सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी फर्दर टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। International Management Institute Delhi, also known as IMI Delhi, was established in the year 1981 in collaboration with IMI Geneva and it is a private institution. बात करें अगर इसके टॉप accreditations की, so they are AMBA, AACSB as well as SAQS. It is recognized by UGC, AICTE, AIU as well as NBA. बात करें अगर इसके रैंकिंग्स की, तो it has received various ranks such as it has received ranking from QS Global World Ranking in MBA at 42nd position. It is ranked by MBA Universe at 17th position and it is also ranked by Financial Times at 86th position in the entire world. Apart from these rankings, it has also received several other ranks as well. Now when we talk about the courses which are being offered at IMI Delhi, तो यहाँ पे the flagship course is PGDM. It offers PGDM General, PGDM in HRM, PGDM in Banking and Financial Services and it also offers fellow program in Management. Now when we talk about the total fees, so the total fees of PGDM is 19.25 lakhs and the total fees of FPM, which is fellow program in management, is 4.5 lakhs. Now let us talk about the admission procedure. So if you want to take admission at IMI Delhi, the candidate must hold a bachelor's degree with minimum 50% and the exam scores which are accepted here are CAT, ZAT and GMAT. The CAT cutoff is 85 to 90 percentile. Now when we talk about placements, तो इनका highest package है 70.95 LPA, the median package is 16.61 LPA and the average package is 16.65 LPA. बात करें अगर इनके टॉप रिक्रूटर्स की, तो इनके टॉप रिक्रूटर्स में आते हैं KPMG, EY, एशियन पेंट्स, डेलॉयट जैसी कुछ बड़ी कंपनीज। Now when we talk about the campus or the infrastructure, so the entire campus is equipped with latest technology. It has hostels, auditoriums, conference rooms, as well as spacious classrooms, lab, laboratories and all the modern amenities for the students. Now when we talk about the location of IMI Delhi, so New Delhi railway station is around 19 kilometers away from the campus and Indira Gandhi International Airport is around 9.6 kilometers away from the campus. So guys, this was all about IMI Delhi and if you want to know how you can get admission in this college or you have queries like whether there is a management seat or special seat or not, or how can you get an admission here if you have low CAT scores. So for all such queries, please give us a call on our helpline number so our academic counselors can guide you in the best possible way they can. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned with Campus Wala for more such informative content.